Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechNinja 01. My name is Apurva and I'll be sharing my experiences and joy as an engineering student through the medium of this channel. Well, the existing pandemic left us with a lockdown period. So what to do during this free time? After the course completion, I was left with this doubt. Gaining confidence with the past knowledge of C programming, I thought why not to proceed in the same field? Well, getting inspired by my teachers, I planned on starting with Android development. Thanks to the plethora of courses available online, I chose one of the best from those to start my journey. Well, that journey included creation of few projects, of which I'll be sharing one today. Well, it's a score counter app. As of now, it's meant for basketball. We have 3-pointers, 2-pointers and free throw in the match. In my app, I am showing you two teams A and B with buttons for 3 points, 2 points and free throws. The bottom part includes the result as well as a reset button to start over. Let's look at the app. Welcome to my app guys. So this is how it looks. See, we have team A and B here with points initially 0, 0. We get result button here, a reset button here, and the result is shown as a string here. These are buttons for 3-pointer, 2-pointer and free throw which scores single point. So let's increase the points of each team individually. 3, 2 and 3 points. 1, 2 and 3. As of now, both the teams have scored equal points. So the result is the match is drawn. Let's increase points of team A. Now the result shows team A is the winner. Let's do the same with B. And hence the result is team B is the winner. For new match, let's start over by pressing the reset button. Start the match. Let's hop on to the code for the same. So guys, this is how my Android setup looks like, or say Android Studio setup looks like. Well, here is the preview of the single screen app, and this area includes the XML code. Here is the Java code that serves as backend for the buttons that I have added to the app. And this is the style sheet. Well, I'm not a big fan of Android emulators, plus I have not yet enabled the VTX or the virtualization. Hence I use physical devices, of which I have tried this app on two. First one being my smartphone and the second being the Namo E tab for getting a knowledge about different screen sizes and a hint of how to set the ratio between these buttons and text and all. So this ends the tour of my Android Studio for the app. So this ends the tour of my app. I shown you the preview as well as the code for same, more of which I have written in my blog post. Kindly visit the description to get into it. For those who are in doubt of me uploading the same on Play Store, well, I will be bringing certain enhancements as well as amendments before spending $25 on it for sure. If you like the video, kindly give a thumbs up, share and comment your views as well as opinions. Also consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down there. Thanks and bye.